start by giving you a brief overview of the Indian financial landscape. After 65 years of independence and 2 decades of economic liberalization, we started in 1990. We have more than 50 banks, 40 insurance companies, 30 asset management companies, and thousands of microfinance companies operating in India, big and small. Still, more than 92% of the low-income households do not have access to social security schemes. More than 45% of low-income households still do not have access to a bank savings account. More than 93% of the low-income households don't have access to bank fixed deposits investments. More than 97% of the population does not have access to safe, reliable health insurance. More than 90% of low-income households don't have access to cheap, secure credit for business and emergencies. So, why is this? This is largely due to many reasons. India's vast population, a difficult terrain, geography, focus on the middle income, political complacency, poor implementation, high illiteracy, lack of infrastructure and knowledge, and other systemic issues. So what can we do about these problems? Before we proceed further, let me just give you a brief background of who we are. Next slide, please. Cassandra, next slide, please. So we are a group of concerned, committed, I don't know why it's not coming properly, professionals from diverse sectors, and such as business, finance, media, communication, arts, having more than 12 years of cumulative experience, who have joined hands for this mission. We've grown up in India's villages, experienced poverty firsthand, made the long journey to the city from home, obtained an A-class education, worked with some of the top corporates like KPMG, and then gave it all up to start Sanchayan. So just to do a little bit of correction, Sanchayan is a non-profit organization. So we have toiled, sweated, sacrificed our careers, invested our savings, and chose this difficult path over a secure future and income. Over the last 1,000 days, we have reached out to more than 30,000 odd low-income people, youth and adults, with our programs, tools and knowledge. And the people have responded to us by telling us their needs and aspirations, their hopes and dreams. They have opened up to us. Why? Because we shared our dreams with them and what we sought out to do. Because we showed conviction in using our background, our understanding of poverty, our hard-earned savings, and our knowledge, skills, and passion for a greater good. That is, of providing these excluded and marginalized people with access to knowledge and tools that have been the domain of the privileged. So, what's our idea and how did it come to us? So before I start, just a brief background. Sanchayan means accumulation, to accumulate in Sanskrit. All of us know the power of knowledge and accumulation. We too believe in the power of accumulation of knowledge, and that's how our journey started. We started with financial literacy trainings and workshops, but the people demanded services, not just training. People wanted everything: government schemes, loans, identity, insurance, security. That gave us an insight to provide them with all services at one-stop points. That's how the idea of Sanchayan Suraksha Point came to us. Sanchayan being our name, Suraksha meaning security, and point is a brick and mortar touch point. So that's how we have Sanchayan Suraksha concept. I'll explain more as we go along. So Sanchayan Suraksha Point, SSP, is an innovative solution to deliver the right financial services and information to the low-income families through a network of convenient outlets. SSPs provide access to financial planning, counseling, savings, budgeting, banking, insurance, pensions, money transfer, investments, and other tools, all at one point. Money transfer, microcredit, or bank account alone or together cannot guarantee financial security and pave the way out of the poverty cycle. Complete financial security requires long-term security of the future, which can be achieved through a planned approach to financial services. So, more than 50% of the Indians are still classified as urban road poor and they do not have access to these services, all these services and the information. Next slide, please, Cassandra. So, if we look at our concept, we talk about security cover. In Hindi we call it Suraksha Kavach, which means a security shield. So when we talk about the entire concept of financial security, we see planning, savings, budgeting, identity, government schemes, banking, security, protection. There is a need for all of this, but primarily the demand is for banking, remittances, and microfinance. But what we are trying to do is to build the concept for complete security through a planned approach. So through the SSPs, this model, which is nothing new about financial services, Sanchayan is working to educate DOP consumers about the benefits of a proper planned approach to choosing the right financial services. A 360-degree approach to planning and diversification. Until and unless poor families don't adopt the planned approach, it's going to be life as usual with inadequate financial security, being exposed to high risk. So this is our complete whole holistic model. Next slide, please. So if you want to break up the model, we can actually break it up into three parts. The innovation is that first is an exclusive focus on BOP. We have kept this financial services model exclusively for the BOP. The second is we have client education and protection measures which help to create the market and build the trust. Third is we have established a network of one-stop points for all financial needs and information. Next slide, please. Coming to the detail of these points, exclusive focus on BOP, by that we mean that we are focusing on the financial needs of the low-income segments, especially the women and migrants. As part of our learning curve, in order to serve the clients better, we would like to undertake more action steps as understand the needs of the client better, undertake action research for financial inclusion, customize financial services offerings, develop and test specialized software and mobile applications, more tie-ups with relevant financial institutions for services, forge distribution partnerships, prepare impact assessment and monitoring report. Second point, client education and protection. Next slide, please. Client education and protection has to be embedded into financial services distribution and marketing to win client trust for long-term business sustainability, but that's not the case right now. So Sanchayan's approach to client education and protection is independent and neutral, covering all topics. Some of the tools we deploy for client education are financial planning clinics, mobile SMS IVR distribution campaigns, financial literacy trainings, camps in marketplaces, mic announcements, distribution of booklets, handouts, comics, passive campaigns through banners and posters. Next slide, please. Just some examples of the kind of financial literacy trainings we deploy: innovative customized outreach campaigns, understanding of the target market and target customer segment. Next slide, please, Cassandra. Third is our delivery model, which is one-stop points of financial services, the SSPs. So Sanchayan has established 27 SSPs in Delhi within the heart of 27 slums, and through these SSPs we provide all the financial needs of BOP: financial planning, counseling, guidance, savings, banking, microcredit, insurance, remittance, pensions, health cover, etc. Sanchayan would be the preferred choice for low-income people, urban poor women and migrants to access services and information under one roof. So as you see from the pictures, some of the points, some of the people who come to take all our services. Next slide, please. Thank you very much. Next slide. We analyzed many of the initiatives that are present in India, the peers alternatives. So we have different initiatives: Rise Sabke, Fino, KGFS, ECO, JioSansar, IMPS, Ujjivan, Zero Mass, individual friends, relatives. Many of these initiatives are good initiatives. They're all doing a good job, but there is still need for a comprehensive initiative and an initiative that also provides planning and information in addition to all services. Next slide, please. So we have multiple, next slide please. We have multiple distribution channels. So we have our own points, touch points in the slum areas, in the catchment areas. We have mobile enrollment vans, we have tie-up with factories, we have third-party distribution platforms, partner NGOs, communities, door-to-door agents. So all these different points, we're able to reach more than 1 million consumers in Delhi alone, where the urban poor population in Delhi is more than 7 million itself. Next slide please. Next slide, please. So, why support us? In order to create a sustainable business case on delivering comprehensive services and information to the BOP segment, and to test prototypes of the SSP model, we require an innovation grant of $175,000, which will be utilized towards expanding the core team, developing mobile and software applications for all-around management, for overall customer financial planning, for information needs, for further market research, testing different models, for client education correction initiatives, for operation admin costs less than 9% and zero setup costs. We already have 27 points operational, so we will not have setup costs. Now, our work with the SSP model over the last 18 months, where we launched these points, providing information to more than 30,000 low-income people and enrolled more than 3,000 customers, gave us an excellent understanding and experience into financial services and the needs of the urban poor. Though we wanted to expand more and test further prototypes, we were limited by staff and resources. That is why we require an innovation grant to test the SSP model more extensively, add more financial product offerings, test delivery and communication models, and provide thousands of customers with access to complete financial security solutions. we'll take a brief look at the breakup of the investment required. Next slide, please. So we have, budgeted according to a requirement. As you'll see, the major cost is for human resources. Any organization, I think most of the entrepreneurs will agree, cannot be built without quality human resources. Then we have client education protection initiatives, which will be almost to 20% of our cost. Next slide, please. Brief look into our financial projections. We started very small, investing all our savings, which was not more than $1,000 when we started. We had to pick up consulting and audit assignments along the way to pay for the rent and survival. But if you notice, we are growing steadily. The revenue is expected to touch approx $350,000 this year. We have just finalized a $750,000 project with Visa spread over 5 years that will reach out to 1 million youth by providing them with financial literacy, education and services. We are working with Ministry of Finance, Reserve Bank of India, Securities Regulator, Insurance Regulator, the German Technical Cooperation Agency, financial institutions like HSBC, BlackRock, GMA, Genpact, and many others for fee-based work related to services and literacy. We see a bright future for Sanchay. Most importantly, we expect the SSP vertical to contribute more than 50% of the overall revenue going forward based on volumes and word-of-mouth customer enrollment. Let's take a look at the beneficiaries impacted and expected outreach. If we analyze by the number of beneficiaries reached out to, we will impact the lives of 500,000 people by 2015-16. To summarize, next slide please. To summarize, our model speaks of customer well-being, which is significant social and economic impact to enable low-income families to live a more secure life as measured by the level of financial services usage, and access to choices, tools, and a plan of action towards a more secure future. Huge potential market for financial services at the BOP level, estimated 650 million people living on less than $2 a day. Sustainable business model through profit sharing. Only way to grow the model across India, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Replicable, scalable model. How much time do I have? Last slide.
You're all out of time. You're all out of time. Sorry. Here's the last one. Okay.
Yeah, last slide.
Take 5.
So that's it. I mean, I'll just conclude. As we started working with thousands of rack pickers, street vendors, hawkers, traders, women workers, construction workers, and the families, we began to really understand the power of inclusion. So we have momentum, traction on the ground, good experience and understanding, a strong committed team backed by an experienced board of mentors and advisors. All we need is a leg up. Thank you very much. I wish best of luck to all the other fellow entrepreneurs. Thank you all very much.